Pepe is down nearly 10%. Crypto is crashing. Should you sell all your Pepe? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Pepe, everyone's fan favorite cryptocurrency. Now, before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news. As we're seeing for Pepe, guys, on the 1 week, we're down nearly 23%. On the day alone, we're down almost 10%. We were down about 10% earlier, but there was a bit of a recovery going on. What the heck is going on with Pepe coin? Is this going to reverse? Is this crashing? Is this the end of the meme coin era? Absolutely not, guys. It looks like we're having a small hurdle in the way. As you can see, when we look at the all-time charts, guys, we can see Pepe was off to a great start earlier, once just a couple weeks ago, and now it looks like we're declining a bit. Here's the absolute bullish part. For anybody who buys in now, is basically buying in at its previous all-time high, which again, everyone was trying to buy in around this range over here when it was pumping. So now will be your optimal time to strike in. We're gonna go through all the news related to Pepe in this video, so you'll be having an informed and educated decision whether or not you should buy Pepe and move forward with this project. Now, before we start that, guys, I want to talk about this pre-sale gem that's going to go on absolutely crazy. And if you follow us on this page, you know we absolutely love pre-sale gems, and we have a Pepe themed pre-sale gem, and it's going absolutely berserk. Already raised $2.2 million in a couple of weeks. What is this coin? It's called Pepe Unchained Layer 2. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy and stake now during our pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Current reward is 830% AP. So Pepe Unchained, better speed, better game, same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe coin, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. You could buy this project with ETH, USDT, card, BNB, basically anything, guys. And here's a kicker: in 1 day and 7 hours, they're gonna have their next price increase. So you want to buy at the absolute lowest price and make a bag, invest in this Pepe themed meme coin. Now is your chance to strike. Link in the description below. This is gonna go absolutely ballistic, guys. We saw it with Dogeverse, we saw it with Solana, and this might be the next big pre-sale gem. So you're gonna want to load up now, especially while Pepe's in the red. This might be an opportunity to buy the dip. Now, going back to Pepe coin, guys, as we're here talking about what's going on with Pepe and price action, let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals. So on the 1 day, we can see oscillators are neutral. However, moving averages are in strong sell, giving us an overall summary of sell. Now, when we look on the 1 month, guys, we're seeing a bit more bullish. Oscillators are still in sell, moving averages are in buy, giving us a summary of neutral. And we go to the 1 week, guys, pretty much the same thing. Here's the thing: a lot of people are selling right now. We're in this weird space in the market. We see even on the fear and greed index, we're currently sitting at a neutral 45, and it's been dancing closer and closer to fear. The issue with this is a lot of people are getting scared and they're dumping their bags too early. And here's the thing, guys: it's not over just yet. This is just a peak of the Bitcoin, market, I want to say, but also peak of the bull run. We made a dedicated video about Bitcoin just a couple days ago, which you can watch after this video. And I was talking about how we are going to see a big reversal in the upcoming weeks. And this was the I want to say the calm after the calm before the storm. The point is, this crash was anticipated for us to take 1 step back and 2 steps forward. As we can see, the fear and greed at 45, Bitcoin down to 58K, Ethereum down to $3,200. So yeah, we're a bit of red, but this might be an optimal point to bounce, and that's going to be very critical for Pepe. Now we're looking at Pepe, guys. We currently see we're at $4 billion market cap. We're just $5 billion away from flipping Shiba Inu, which is quite possible this bull run, because the reality of the fact is, yes, Pepe is number 3 in terms of market cap, but when we look at volume, guys, we're basically number 1. Today Doge is pumping a bit, so Doge took that place, but genuinely and generally, we're usually number 1 in terms of volume. And once that market cap catches up, it's going to be absolutely insane, which would be great, because now is a great time to strike. Because if you buy now at these absolute lowest prices, when we do eventually pass Shiba Inu and potentially Dogecoin in price, you're getting in at the absolute lowest price of Pep. As we're looking at the chart, guys, we saw the all-time, yes, we saw beautiful green candles. When we look at the 1 month, it starts to look a bit ugly. Yeah, we're down to about 32%. But the thing is, the question comes is how low is it going to go when all this money's in the market? Realistically speaking, how low will it go? And in my personal opinion, not that low. Why do we say that? Because we look at the news article and we're seeing generally bullish news, right? Pepe price analysis, breakouts imminent, whale sell-offs. We see whale stacks 1.210 tokens amid the monthly crash. Yes, there's some negativity. Pepe set to boost $3 million absorbed by support levels overnight. The point is, yes, there's a mix of bullish and bearish news, but that's going to be the case for any project you invest in, right? We see Pepe analysis, this price break imminent amid whale sell-off. So even though the whales are selling off, looks like we're going to see a pump in the price. As per CoinGecko, top meme coin contributor to the market cap of $48.5 billion, while the trading volume waivers around 4.3 billion under the influence of bull flag patterns, the Pepe price could be extended. Correction below this price. 24-hour trading volume in Pepe is 653 billion, indicating a 58% gain. We're seeing some bullish news, and that's not the only article, guys. We're seeing a bullish rallies, bullish predictions for Pepe token, and that's exactly what we want to see. Even going over to the X, guys, we see some. They haven't been as active as they usually been, but some good things. Okay, this was today. They're looking like they have a giveaway for Independence Day. So if you're in America, happy birthday to America. Watching the U.S. presidential debates, they're just engaging in the meme culture, right? You can even see this one replying to Elon Musk's tweet, getting organic 142,000 views, which is pretty solid, because obviously being social and being in front of the ranks of millions of people is very important for a meme coin project. So guys, we have the facts there. We see the prices dumping. We see what's going on in the marketplace. We see what the news is looking like. In my personal opinion, it might be an optimal time to buy at a super low price to ensure you make a solid gain. Remember, guys, we don't make profits when we sell. We make profits when we buy. So if you buy smartly, you can sell smartly and make a bag in crypto. If you want to load up on Pepe Unchained, guys, link in the description below. And let me know how you guys are feeling about Pepe in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That's the video. Until next time, it's Umar. Peace.